Good morning to all. Today I am going to recite a poem from Honeycomb for class 7th. The title of this poem is Garden Snake. The poet of this poem is Muriel L. Son. This is a poem that is related to a snake. But what kind of snake? The snake which wiggles in the garden. Through this poem, the poet has shared an experience with us when he was a child and he saw a snake. And what would be the reaction? Think. Had poet run away or stood there to see the snake? Let's read and know. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So, when he wiggles in the grass, I'll stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there's no mistake. It's just a harmless garden snake. The poet is trying to say us that I saw a snake and ran away. Ran away, that is the reaction of poet when he saw a snake. But where he saw a snake? He saw a snake in a garden. Some snakes are dangerous. Here dangerous means harmful. They say. Who are they? We can say that our elders, our parents, normally the general opinion of people. But mother says that kind is good. Here, poet's mother is also present, who guides him by saying that the snake who was wiggling in the garden, that was of good kind. It means that snake was not harmless. That snake was not toxic. That snake was not poisonous. And eats up insects for his food. और मदर उसको ये भी गाइड करती है कि वो तो सिर्फ इंसेक्ट्स ही खाता है डाइट में. उसकी डाइट क्या है? सिर्फ इंसेक्ट्स खाना. So, when he wiggles in the grass, after listening, after sharing the information from his mother, the poet does not afraid. And अब उसका रिएक्शन क्या होता है? So when he wiggles in the grass, wiggles means moves up and down. बच्चे ये बताता है स्नेक की मूवमेंट को कि स्नेक नॉर्मली स्ट्रेट मूवमेंट इस तरह से नहीं जाता, स्नेक इस तरह से जाता है. दैट इज जिगजैग मूवमेंट. अब पोइट का रिएक्शन क्या होता है? I'll stand aside. अब पोइट कहता है मैं तो साइड पे खड़ा रहूंगा. और क्या करेगा? वॉच हिम पास. इट मीन्स कि अब पोइट भागेगा नहीं वहां से, वो भागा नहीं. क्या करता रहा? वॉच हिम पास. वॉच मीन ऑब्जर्व. देखता रहा स्नेक को पास गुजरते हुए. एंड टेल माई सेल्फ देयर्स नो मिस्टेक. कि कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है. मिस्टेक मीन्स एरर. कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है. तो ये क्या है? इट्स जस्ट ए हार्मलेस गार्डन स्नेक. तो ये क्या है? हार्मलेस मीन्स सेफ, बिना किसी नुकसान के, नॉन डेंजरस. तो ये सिर्फ क्या है? दिस इज जस्ट ओनली ए हार्मलेस गार्डन snake. Thank you. Have a nice day.